Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Brevo. Brevo is a multi-faceted platform that encompasses a wide range of features and services, catering various needs of users from its intuitive user interface to its diverse offerings. Brevo has positioned itself as a leading platform in today's digital landscape. In this video, we will explore some of the key aspects of Brevo that makes it stand among its competitors. But how to join? You just click on sign up for free. You put an email, a password, or you can join by Google or Apple. I prefer Google. Now let's go. So you will need a first name and the last name and the company name and the website. So wait, can I put my Instagram instead of a website? No, I don't own Instagram. And I put my username. That's how it's work. This is my website. Okay, just kidding. I don't have a website. Now some information about your company. Okay. Let's just cut this. So don't worry about the address. I put an address for no company for now because I don't have a company. How many people in your team? Me. Yes, just me. How many contacts do you have? No contacts yet. Do you sell online? No. And I accept privacy policies. You will need a validate phone number. Oh. Now send verification. And we will wait for the verification code that I will type in 3, 2, 1, 2, 8, 6, 1, 9, 7. Verify. Imagine it doesn't work. So now let's go. Let's choose a plan. We have the free, the starter, the business, and the Brevo Plus for enterprises. So this is in Moroccan dirham, and yeah, it's like $20, $52. So the math here, I will show you. Now let's try USD to NAD. So it's 10.23. So it's like you do the accounting. I'm not good at maths. So those are the plans, their prices, and the benefits of each plan. Of course, we're gonna choose the no, just kidding. The free plan. It was a misclick. I didn't mean to choose that. So total account 1. Who? No one. Okay, nice joke. Oh. They used me as a contact. Good. So this is the homepage. So the first and foremost, Brevo's user interface is sleek, modern, and user-friendly like you see. Navigation through the platform is a breeze, and even beginners will find it easy to get started. The well-organized layout and truthful design ensure that user can quickly access to the features they need without any hassle. So one of the standout features of Brevo is its extensive content library. Whether you are seeking education resources, entertainment options, or optional development material, Brevo has converted the platform boasts a vast collection of articles, videos, tutorials, and courses across a wide array of subjects. This diverse ensures that users can find relevant content tailored to their interested goal. So where to see this? I don't know. So this is dashboard. You can take a tour. Let's take the tour. Wait, let's lower the sensibility. That's good. So the tour begins. Welcome to Brevo dashboard. You will find the tools you need to connect with your customers here. So explore new features and channel. Brevo is your personal growth stack. Start exploring your new ways to reach your customers and grow your business. And we have Brevo makes managing your contacts simple and easy. Create your first contact list simple and easy from here. Are we gonna continue the tour? Yes. Campaigns. Send campaigns across multiple channels. Connect with customers where they are. Discover new ways to grow your business with multi-channels marketing campaigns. Here, kickstart your Brevo journey. That's all the turn. So furthermore, Brevo's communities aspects add significant value to the platform. User can engage with their like-minded individuals. And okay, this is not accurate, but I will stop reading and continue navigating. So more way to grow up your business. Here you can start by, okay, stop. Don't just get me to do things I don't read. So you can turn all your contacts into customers. You can start your first trial by adding all the contacts in your email as customers, and I will find 0. Yes, I know. I don't have contacts. Next, we have conversation chat. Create impact customer full experience in real time. We have here sales activities, customer relationship manager. We have risk campaigns, contact, no contacts. Add your first contact. Let's just add me as a contact. Oh, add plans include unlimited contacts for free. Add contacts in bulk by loading file or manually by copy pasting them from a file. Do you want to block list contacts? No. I just want to add a contact. One. You know what's one? Here, create one. So let's make me a contact. No. Sorry, not this email. Just put another email. Don't make me. Okay, list. What? Okay, something wrong here. I can't see what is this. So let's put the first one and okay. Type to filter. I just have to say hi. Okay, contacts owner, me, create. Now I added a contact, I think. Contact is created. View contact detail, no thanks. I know me. So let's refresh the page to see if the contacts is added here. Yes, it's added and each subscribes with email and SMS because I give them the number. So schedule your first campaign. Okay, let's try it in my enemy. Campaign name. No, pen. Why? Create. From me to him. The other one. Your first list. Contact to this one, yes. Don't send to an engaged. No, just send them to it. That's it. Save. Next, subject. Add subject. Nothing. Preview text. Sorry. Save it. The design. Start designing. Didn't I have the design? Wait, where did I? Okay, just choose a design. Use this one. See what's new. No, I don't want to see what's new. Sorry. Sorry. Now save and quit. I don't want to add any picture for now. Next, what do we have? The last is advanced settings. Now, schedule. Sorry. Just preview and test. Yes, just send this. I don't know what is this. Okay, it will be sent to me. The email address. Okay, just give me cancel. Just send it to me, please. Send test. Now let's see the test. Okay, not here, not here, here, not here, not here, not here. Let's see the spam. Here. Yes. This is your headline, your title, and click actions. Yes, this is the nothing. Yes, this is how you will receive the email. For now, it's spam because you are not subscribed. After you gain subscribers, they will receive the email as an email in notifications or here. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.